So next thing we have is we have some problem set. How many grams of solid NaOH are required to prepare 500 ml of the 0.04 molar solution? Okay, so here in this practical we have to prepare the 0.04 molar solution. So and we have to prepare it 500 ml. Okay, so this one is there, and then express the concentration of this solution in terms of normality, grams per liter, percent volume by weight by volume, milligram percent, and osmolarity. These many things. So previously whatever we have learned, we have to apply here. So for example, so here is the solution. Liters multiplied by molar is equal to number of moles of NaOH required. Okay, so this is definition of molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles of NaOH required divided by liter. So this liter we are taking on the left side. So it is so here liter comes on the left side, 0.5 liter. Okay, 500 ml is 0.5 liter, and molarity required is the 0.04. So that is equal to, if you are multiplying both of these terms, that is equal to 0.02 moles. Okay, moles of NaOH required. So these many moles of NaOH is required. So next thing we want, what we want, how many grams of NaOH is required. So we want to calculate how many moles. Now moles, you know liter, molarity. From based on this moles we calculated. Now we already seen formula for moles, which is equal to the weight in grams divided by molecular weight. Okay, so this is a weight in a grams divided by molecular weight. So that is a 0.02 moles. This solution we have divided by is equal to weight in grams we require. So weight in gram G divided by, this is molecular weight. So what is molecular weight of NaOH? So it is 40. So this is a, so if you multiply 40 multiplied by 0.02, it will be the 0.08 gram. So this 0.08 gram, if you weigh out the 0.8 gram and dissolve it in the water and dilute it up to the 500 ml, then that solution will be the 0.04 molar. Okay, so NaOH contain the one OH per molecule. So next thing we want to calculate this expression, normality grams per liter, right? So here it is, NaOH contain one OH per molecule. So molarity is equal to normality, and solution, so only one. So N is equal to 1, so molarity is equal to normality. So it is, normality here is a 0.04 normal. Okay, so normality and molarity, this constant is same. So 0.04 normal. The solution contain 0.8 gram per 100 ml. Okay, 0.8 gram per 500 ml. So per liter, if you want to calculate, you have to make this 500 to 1000. Make it, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, that is 1.6 gram per liter. Okay. Now percent weight volume per 100 ml you want to calculate. Okay, so per 100 ml if you want to calculate, now per liter. Okay, per liter is a 1.6 gram per liter. So if you want to make liter into the 100 ml, that is 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So divide by 10, divide numerator also by 10. Denominator, numerator, if you divide by 10, it is a 0.16 gram per 100 ml, that is 0.16%. Okay, so next milligram percent we have to calculate how many milligrams per 100 ml. Now we know that this is a gram percent. Okay, 0.16% is gram percent. Now we have this 0.16 gram per 100 ml. If you want to calculate, convert this gram into the milligram, so we have to multiply it by 1000. So 0.16 gram multiplied by 1000, it becomes 160 milligram per 100 ml. So 160 milligram percentage. Okay, and NaOH yield the two particles, Na and OH. Okay, two particles. So osmolarity, already we saw in the previously that osmolarity we have to calculate number of ions, that is 2, and multiply it by molarity. So that is 0.08 osmolar. Okay, so that is why, because it is a 0.004 molar. So if you multiply by 2, that is 0.08 osmolar. Okay, so that is how we get osmolarity here. Next solution, next problem we have is how many milliliters of 5 molar H2SO4 are required to make 1500 ml of the 0.00 molar H2SO4. So how many milliliters of ml of 5 molar is required if you want to make the 1.5 liter of the 0.002 molar H2SO4. So number of moles of H2SO4 in a dilute solution equals the number of moles of H2SO4 taken from the concentrated solution. So this is N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. So liters moles of dilute solution is equal to liters multiplied by moles of concentrated solution. So 1.5 liter we want to prepare, multiply by, so this is 1.5 liter we want to prepare, this is a 0.002 molar is equal to liters. How many liters will be needed of the 5 molar? So if you rearrange this equation, take 5 on the downside, denominator as a denominator, the liters concentrated required will be the this one. So if you make calculation, it will be the 0.6 into 10 raised to minus 3 liter. Minus 3 liter means ml. So 0.6 ml of this concentrated H2SO4 will be needed. If you take 0.6 ml of concentrated H2SO4 and dilute it up to the 1.5 liter, then that solution will be the 0.002 molar solution. Okay.